This is not necessarily a ham radio video. This is about where I've been and where I'm going. Stick till the end and you'll see the satellite ham radio stuff. I do have ham radio videos in the pipeline, including the coffee and ham radios, dipole build, and also stuff on the TX-500. I did get the amp. Like I said, stick to the end. Fast forward if you have to, but stick till the end.
Hey folks, thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. Today I am bolting across the Pacific Ocean, and I've been away for so long because I've been working my butt off so I can get the time off so I can go on this vacation. Right now I'm getting ready to head over to the local Target to pick up some items that will either fit in that Mystery Ranch backpack or my pockets, or they ain't going with me. So guys, I've made it. I'm here in the Seashell Resort. With all this water around me, it's probably apropos that we talk about scuba diving. I've installed a couple of tank holders because I'm planning to take the class to, it's not called recertification, but it's more about getting back into water, getting more familiar, getting up to date on practices and remembering your old practices, doing a little book work, figuring out what's going on. So I've installed a couple of those tank holders on my pickup truck as one of the things that I'm doing around the house. And speaking around the house, become interested in satellite, and not because everyone else is interested. It's because I've seen Robert work up close and in person, and I got really excited about using that avenue of contacting satellites in order to expand my ham radio experience. And one of the things I've done is I've installed the egg beater antenna on top of the green ham machine, and they come highly recommended. And yes, I know they won't work as good as a directional Yagi, but they do work. So when I bought this trailer, there was nothing on it or in it, and I prioritized putting on the awning system. So I'll have another video about that awning at some point for those that are interested. The first antenna to go up was the copper J-pole. And now, after some advice by people who know what they're talking about, the M-squared egg beaters were next in line. And again, they do work, and I have some clips to prove it.
3T, KN2K, Fox Mike 18. This is K2PLL, Fox Mike 07, over. K2PLL, hi Gary, 73, KN2K. Roger, roger. I'm going down to the hardware store to buy parts for my tripod, over.
Hey, good morning, guys. WB2TQE, both of you sound great.
WB2TQE, K2PLL, Fox Mike 07.
Yeah, very good, Gary. Got you, and I hear Lee out there, too. Both of you guys sound good.
KN2K, WO3T, FN00. WB2TQE, WO3T, FN00. Thank you.
Okay. N4AKV, are you still out there? WO3T, KN2K, QSL,
Okay, Ray, take care. Thanks. 73, WO3T.
Whiskey 1 Alpha Whiskey, stroke 0, Echo November 00.
W1AW, stroke 0, WB2TQE.
QSL, Howard, thank you, 73.
WB2TQE, W4KSY, EM74.
Hey, good morning, Terry. Sound good.
Morning. How you doing, Howard? KN2K, W4KSY, EM74.
W4KSY, KN2K, QSL, Terry, 73.
Thanks to everyone who has gotten me to that 1,000 subscriber point. I appreciate you for sticking with me. And until next time, 73.